What's up, y'all? It's Landon Groves from Laced Up LLC, and we're back with another video on a pair of Jordan 4 Red Thunders. Right now, we're prepping the back tabs and the wings with acetone and cotton balls to get ready for a matte finish spray to break out all those scuffs. Now here I'm covering the shoe with a cut up paper towel so that when I spray the matte finisher, the nubuck material does not get ruined. Now before I do this, I recommend a few light coats and hitting it with a heat gun to set that finish. Now instead of paper towels, I'm just going to use tape to cover the surrounding areas of the back tab. Now that that's done, we're going to start prepping the midsoles for a repaint. We're going to tape up the parts of the midsole that we don't want to get paint on, and we're going to start wiping down the midsole with cotton balls and acetone. So for the specific paint, I mixed Angela's Chili Red, Fire Red, and White. I don't remember the exact ratios, so just experiment and it'll get out right. So I did about 5 or 6 coats of that red mixture, and now I'm just hitting it with a matte finish. Now I'm just about to hit a few finishing touches on the underside of the air unit. We're done with the restoration. We got that midsole back to a full red. So if you have any questions, hit me in the comments. I would love to answer them. If y'all want a quote today, hit me on any of the links down below on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or Gmail, and I will get back to you. Y'all have a good one. Peace.